The HyperX Cloud Flight often experiences connectivity issues with the NGENUITY app, appearing as a device not detected error. This problem arises from communication breakdowns between the headset, its wireless adapter, or Bluetooth, and the software. Hardware faults are uncommon, but software conflicts, outdated drivers, and misconfigured settings are frequent causes. The NGENUITY app needs a stable connection to customize audio settings, perform firmware updates, and control the device effectively. Understanding Bluetooth protocols and the device handshaking process is crucial for troubleshooting. Regular updates to both the headset firmware and the NGENUITY app are essential to maintain compatibility and resolve issues. Before diving into advanced solutions, start with the basics. First, ensure your HyperX Cloud Flight is fully charged and powered on. Second, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your device, whether it's a PC, Mac, or Android. Third, verify the headset is in pairing mode by pressing and holding the power button until the LED flashes blue. Fourth, check that the NGENUITY app is running and has the necessary permissions for location and Bluetooth access. Fifth, restart both your headset and the device you are trying to connect to. Finally, make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for NGENUITY, which are Windows 10 or higher and Android 8.0 or higher. Software conflicts often prevent NGENUITY from detecting the HyperX Cloud Flight. Antivirus software or firewalls might be blocking the app's access to Bluetooth or USB devices. Ensure that NGENUITY is whitelisted in your antivirus settings. On Windows, check Allow apps to control Bluetooth in Bluetooth settings. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause connection problems. Update your Bluetooth drivers and ensure they are compatible with your operating system. Also, close any other applications that might be using the audio devices at the same time. This can sometimes cause conflicts. Following these steps should resolve most software conflicts and permission issues. If basic checks and software conflicts are ruled out, focus on the NGENUITY app itself. First, try force closing and reopening the app. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall NGENUITY from the official HyperX website or App Store. Ensure you are using the latest version 5.3.2 or later. Within the app, use the diagnostic tool to force a rescan for devices. Clearing the app's cache and data might also resolve detection issues. Outdated headset firmware can lead to compatibility issues with NGENUITY. Open the NGENUITY app and check for available firmware updates for your HyperX Cloud Flight, which should be firmware v2.1.8 or later. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Ensure the headset remains connected and powered on throughout the update process. A failed firmware update can brick your device, so proceed with caution and follow instructions carefully. Bluetooth signals can be disrupted by interference from other wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and nearby Bluetooth gadgets. Try moving your headset and device closer together to reduce interference. Ensure there are no obstructions between the headset and the adapter or Bluetooth device. If using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, switch to 5 GHz to reduce interference. Limit the number of active Bluetooth connections on your device. These steps can significantly improve Bluetooth reliability by addressing common sources of wireless interference. Operating system-specific quirks can cause connection problems. On Windows, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter to diagnose issues automatically. Also check for Windows updates, as they often include Bluetooth fixes that resolve compatibility issues. Ensure audio devices are configured correctly in Windows sound settings. On macOS, reset Bluetooth settings in System Preferences by removing and repairing devices. Check for macOS updates to get the latest Bluetooth improvements. Configure sound input and output devices properly in macOS sound settings. For Android devices, clear the Bluetooth cache and data in System Settings to remove corrupted pairing information. If troubleshooting steps don't resolve the connectivity issue, contact HyperX Customer Support. Their support data indicates high resolution rates for connectivity queries. Provide detailed information about your setup, including device specifications and steps you've already tried. Support resolution rates reach up to 85% for connectivity problems. Looking ahead, gaming peripherals are moving toward seamless software integration and AI-assisted troubleshooting. HyperX is investing in these areas, including AI chatbots within the NGENUITY app to provide real-time diagnostics. Industry trends include enhanced security to prevent detection issues from malware and universal standards to minimize proprietary software problems. The ultimate goal is to make connectivity issues a thing of the past, creating a more reliable gaming experience.